I am Bob Ritchie. I am 71 years old. I've been a patient of Dr. Carrozzella's for over 4 years now. I went to him because I was having ED issues related to prostate cancer that had been fixed a number of years ago with seeding and radiation. And as I got older and older, it became to affect sexual function. And found Dr. C. And since then, we've been through his program. Over the last 4.5 years, we've tried the Pulse Wave, the P-Shot, the Trimix, the Tadalafil under the tongue. And after trying them all, settled on the Tadalafil and once in a while the Trimix, and it just seems to work. It's not 100% perfect, but I'm very happy with it, and it's come a long way from where I was. And I would highly recommend doing all the different therapies he has to offer.